Go.
Go.
Oh, guys, I got an Amazon mystery box we're going to try to open. Here we go. I got these. I don't know what these are.
They're cues.
Cues. Looks kind of disappointing. Got Kind bars. Well, them are good. Wow. Got a whole pile of them. Got a Keurig flavored coffee. Got, what is this? I don't know. Got that, I don't know how to say that. Got more Keurig. More Keurig.
Yo, those are.
Got a Troger grill cover. Got, what's this? Isn't that a knife?
Have my knife.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Got,
Don't shake them.
got someone getting a text message.
Well, we ain't nothing in them.
That's disappointing. Sticky notes. More sticky notes. That's disappointing. I don't know what this is. Got a Amazon Basic. Looks like towels. This thing. What in God's name is this? I got that. That's it then. Like, subscribe. Peace.